I will show you how to make money with your YouTube channel even if you are not yet monetized yet. This is very easy, anybody can do it. You don't need any credit cards or any money to invest. Make sure you watch till the end so you won't miss out on any important information. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Health Hacks Infinity. Health Hacks Infinity provides you with reliable information about how to make money and invest. Get back to the video. Now, go to this website, canva.com. Once you are here, you can sign up with your Google account. You can sign up with your Facebook account, or you can just continue with your email address. This website is actually free to sign up. You don't need any credit card to sign up. Once you put in your information and sign up, you will land on this page right here. Actually, Canva is a website that has a lot of free templates, and a lot of people use these templates to create graphic design, such as logo design, video templates, YouTube thumbnails, and a lot more. You can create whiteboards, you create presentations, you can create videos, you can create a Facebook post, you can create logo designs, and right here you can also create free t-shirt designs. For this video, we are going to be focused on the t-shirt templates. Let us click right here. Let it load. You are going to land on this page right here. Now, right here is where you are going to work on your template. If you look at the left right here, you are going to see a lot of templates. If you scroll down, you will keep seeing a lot more. Most of the templates are free. We are going to scroll around and look for a very good template to use for our t-shirt design. As you can see, there are a lot of templates to choose from. Let us choose this one for example. Just click on it and it will appear right on the editing panel. Now, there are a lot of things we can do with this design. We can change the colors by just clicking the object and clicking right up here. And the color panel will appear right here on the left-hand side. All you have to do is pick the color you want, and the changes will be made right away. As you see, the colors are changing as I click on them. So, take your time in choosing a good color of your choice. I will choose blue. You can choose whatever color that suits you. Now, you can also change the colors of the butterflies by just repeating the same process. Click on the butterflies and click on the color boxes and you can change the colors. I am going to be choosing a blue color throughout for this process. Once you are done, to make the objects bigger, just click on them and drag them to the length you want. Now that we are done, it's time to download our t-shirt design. To do that, click right up here, where it says, Share. Then click on Download. Click on Download again. Once you do that, the template will be downloaded onto your PC. The template is downloading. Now, let's go to this website right here, teespring.com. This website is a simple solution for creators to sell and monetize their products, to engage their fans and help them monetize their content. It is free and no cost at all. To get started on this website, click right here, where it says, Start Creating. Once you do that, you will land on this page. All you have to do is put in your name or brand, your email address, your password, confirm your password, and click on, I am not a robot. Once you are done, click on Sign Up. You will land on this page right here. On this page you are going to see a lot of print-on-demand materials to choose from. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies, we have mugs, we have bags, and a lot more. For this video, we are going to choose this one right here. Classic Pullover Hoodie. Click on it and let it load. You will land on this page right here. As you see, this is our hoodie right here. If we want to change or add different colors to this hoodie, just click right here on the plus sign. As you see, there are a lot of colors to choose from. You can click and choose as many colors as you want. But we are going to stick with white. Now, we are going to add our design. To add our design, click right here, where it says, Add Image. Once you do that, you can be able to choose your image. As you can see, the image will automatically appear on the hoodie right here. You can now click on it and position it as you want. But make sure it does not go outside the red line. If we scroll down, right here, this hoodie is going to be selling for $41.99. And you are going to make a profit of $16.95. Which is good. You don't have to ship the product yourself, all you have to do is upload the design and share your link. And whenever someone buys your hoodie, this site will do all the packaging and shipping for you. Now, click on Continue down here. Click on Continue again. Right here on this page is where you are going to put in your title and description. If you have a YouTube channel, you can put in the name as the title. And put in your description. Once you are done with everything, click right down here, where it says Publish Listing. Let it load. As you can see, congratulations, the best hoodie is now live. You can now click right here and copy the link and share on your channel, and once people buy it, you get paid. On this side, you can edit your design again if you want to. And you can click right here to view your store. So, this is how your store is going to look like. This is very nice. All you have to do is share your link and get paid. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.